Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Mazda BT50 XT Extra Cab, stock reference number 4889. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a P5AT, 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. P5AT, 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door has a large dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Spare wheel with a good tyre. 17-inch rear, right rear alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has two small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black vinyl center console lid, auto console, auto gear shifter, 4-wheel drive, heated controls, single stack control panel, display cluster and head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.